Managing oily skin can be a tricky task. The wrong moisturizer can leave your skin feeling greasy and clogged, while the right one can control excess shine and provide balanced hydration. In this video, we'll share the best moisturizers designed specifically for oily skin. These products are lightweight, non-greasy, and crafted to keep your skin feeling fresh and hydrated all day long. Let's jump into the list and find your perfect match. Number 1. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Gel. Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Gel is a standout product for those struggling with oily and sensitive skin. This water-based gel is designed to deliver hydration without overwhelming your skin with heaviness. Its lightweight formula absorbs almost instantly, leaving a refreshing, cooling sensation. What makes this moisturizer exceptional is its oat-based formula. Oat extract is renowned for its soothing and calming properties, making it ideal for irritated or inflamed skin. The gel texture feels airy and smooth, a perfect match for oily skin types that need hydration but detest greasy residues. The packaging is sleek and compact, ensuring it's easy to carry around for quick touch-ups. This product's durability comes from its non-comedogenic nature, which ensures it won't clog pores even after repeated applications. Aveeno has designed this moisturizer to cater to all-day hydration while actively restoring the skin's moisture barrier. It's fragrance-free, making it suitable for those with sensitivity to scents. With its ability to provide lasting hydration and reduce redness, the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Gel is an essential for anyone looking to control shine and improve overall skin health.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Cetaphil DermaControl Moisturizer. Cetaphil DermaControl Moisturizer has been a go-to for those with oily and acne-prone skin. Its lightweight, oil-free formula absorbs excess oil while delivering hydration where it's needed most. The moisturizer is enriched with micropole technology, which mattifies the skin and gives a shine-free finish. The texture is smooth and creamy, spreading easily without leaving a residue. It also contains SPF 30, offering protection against harmful UV rays while keeping your skin hydrated. This dual-purpose functionality makes it an excellent daytime moisturizer for anyone with an active lifestyle. Cetaphil's formula is enriched with zinc, an ingredient known for its oil-regulating properties. This addition helps control sebum production, reducing breakouts over time. Despite its mattifying effect, the moisturizer ensures your skin feels soft and supple throughout the day. Durability is a key feature, as its effects last for hours without the need for reapplication. The packaging is hygienic, with a pump dispenser that minimizes product wastage. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. For those looking for a moisturizer that balances hydration with shine control, Cetaphil DermaControl is a top-tier choice. Number 3. Badescu Control Moisturizer. Badescu Control Moisturizer is tailored for those with oily and blemish-prone skin. This lightweight cream is formulated to soothe, hydrate, and manage shine simultaneously. Its unique blend of botanical ingredients, including aloe vera and willow bark extract, makes it both calming and effective. The texture is velvety, gliding smoothly onto the skin and absorbing quickly without leaving a greasy feel. Despite its lightweight nature, the moisturizer provides enough hydration to maintain a healthy skin barrier. The formula works well under makeup, creating a matte base that lasts throughout the day. This moisturizer stands out for its ability to reduce redness and irritation, thanks to its soothing botanical extracts. Over time, it also helps minimize the appearance of pores and prevent clogged skin. Its durability is impressive, maintaining its mattifying effect even in humid conditions. The packaging is compact and practical, ensuring the product remains fresh and easy to use. Mario Badescu's commitment to gentle yet effective skincare shines through with this moisturizer, making it a perfect choice for oily skin types seeking balanced hydration and shine control. Number 4. PCA Skin Clearskin Moisturizer. PCA Skin Clearskin Moisturizer is a professional-grade product that combines advanced technology with natural ingredients to target oily and breakout-prone skin. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula is infused with niacinamide and borage seed oil, providing hydration while reducing redness and inflammation. The texture is smooth and non-greasy, making it a dream for those who dread the stickiness of traditional moisturizers. It delivers a refreshing feel upon application, immediately soothing irritation and calming inflamed skin. The niacinamide works over time to improve skin tone and reduce the appearance of large pores. This product also contains bisabolol, derived from chamomile, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Combined with its hydrating elements, the formula ensures your skin remains balanced without triggering excess oil production. Durability is another highlight, as its effects last for hours without requiring touch-ups. The packaging is sleek and easy to use, ensuring that you get the most out of every application. PCA Skin Clearskin Moisturizer is a premium choice for those who want effective, dermatologist-recommended care for oily skin. Number 5. Amazon Aware Face Moisturizer. Amazon Aware Face Moisturizer brings sustainability and skincare together. Crafted with natural, vegan ingredients, this moisturizer caters to oily skin by providing lightweight hydration and a matte finish. The gel cream texture feels refreshing and airy, perfect for oily skin that needs moisture without heaviness. It absorbs quickly, leaving a smooth, shine-free surface that lasts throughout the day. The inclusion of hyaluronic acid and squalane ensures deep hydration, while aloe vera adds a soothing touch. What sets this moisturizer apart is its eco-friendly packaging and ethical sourcing. Amazon Aware ensures that the product aligns with sustainability goals, making it a guilt-free addition to your skincare routine. Despite its lightweight nature, the formula is effective in maintaining hydration levels and protecting the skin's moisture barrier. It's fragrance-free and dermatologically tested, making it safe for sensitive skin. With its blend of effectiveness and sustainability, Amazon Aware Face Moisturizer is a fantastic option for those prioritizing eco-conscious choices. Number 6. Youth to the People Air Whipped Cream. Youth to the People Air Whipped Cream combines superfoods and science to deliver a moisturizer that's both lightweight and power-packed. Its key ingredients include kale, spinach, and green tea, all rich in antioxidants that protect and nourish the skin. The texture is unique, with an air-whipped consistency that feels light as a feather. It absorbs instantly, leaving a smooth, non-greasy finish. This makes it ideal for layering under makeup or sunscreen. The inclusion of hyaluronic acid ensures hydration without clogging pores, while antioxidants combat environmental stressors. This moisturizer is also vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with clean beauty standards. Its glass packaging not only looks elegant, but is also environmentally friendly, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. The formula is effective in reducing shine and improving overall skin texture. With consistent use, you'll notice a healthier, more balanced complexion. Youth to the People Air Whipped Cream is a luxurious yet practical choice for oily skin, offering hydration, protection, and sustainability in one jar. Number 7. Neutrogena Collagen Bank SPF30. Neutrogena Collagen Bank SPF30 is a multitasking moisturizer that combines sun protection, hydration, and anti-aging benefits. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula is infused with collagen peptides, which help maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. The creamy texture spreads easily, absorbing quickly without leaving a sticky residue. Its matte finish makes it perfect for oily skin, keeping shine at bay while ensuring your skin stays hydrated throughout the day. What makes this moisturizer stand out is its SPF 30 protection, shielding your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. This dual-purpose functionality simplifies your skincare routine, offering both hydration and sun defense in one step. Durability is key, as the formula stays effective for hours, even in humid conditions. The packaging is practical, with a pump dispenser that makes application mess-free. Neutrogena's Collagen Bank SPF 30 is an excellent option for those who want a moisturizer that tackles oily skin, provides sun protection, and offers anti-aging benefits. And there you have it, our top picks for the best moisturizers for oily skin. Each product offers unique benefits, from shine control to hydration and sun protection. Whether you're dealing with breakouts or simply want a more balanced complexion, these moisturizers have you covered. Remember, the key to managing oily skin is consistency and using products tailored to your needs. Try one of these today and enjoy the confidence of healthy, shine-free skin.